Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. This video will show you how to check the balance of your garage door.
This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult your owner's manual for complete instructions and safety information.
A balanced garage door is an important part of your garage door opener working properly and safely. Start by using your remote control or the door control to close the door. To disconnect the garage door from the garage door opener, pull the emergency release handle straight down. Lift the door to the halfway or midpoint and release it. The door should not raise or lower when you let go of it. A balanced door should stay in place supported by its springs. Next, lift the garage door to the fully open position and let go of the door. The door should rise slightly. If your door slams closed or drifts to the closed position, contact a trained door technician. While the door is disconnected from the garage door opener, raise and lower the door and check for binding or sticking. The door should move freely. When you are ready to reconnect the garage door opener, manually close the garage door. Pull the red handle on the emergency release back towards the garage door opener. Pressing the remote control button or using the door control will cause the trolley to move into position and reconnect with the garage door. If the trolley does not reconnect, you may need to manually lift the door to reconnect the trolley. Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. Be sure to check out our other products and accessories when you visit us on the web at www.chamberlain.com.